Pandas Dataframe columns, scaling with Sklearn. I have a Pandas dataframe with mixed type columns, and I like to apply Sklearn's min_max_scalar to some of the columns. Ideally, I like to do these transformations in place, but haven't figured out a way to do that yet. I've written the following code that works. I'm curious if this is the preferred / most efficient way to do this transformation. Is there a way I could use df.apply that would be better? I'm also surprised I can't get the following code to work. If I pass an entire data frame to the scalar, it works. I'm confused why passing a series to the scalar fails. In my full working code above, I had hoped to just pass a series to the scalar, then set the dataframe column equals to the scaled series.
I am not sure if previous versions of Pandas prevented this, but now the following snippet works perfectly for me and produces exactly what you want without having to use apply.
This should work without depreciation warnings.
Like this. As it is being mentioned in Pierce's comment, the .apply lambda L column scale .fit_transform L method will produce the following warning. Deprecation warning. Passing 1D arrays as data is deprecated in 0.17 and will raise value error in 0.19. Reshape your data either using x.reshape -1, 1 if your data has a single feature, or x.reshape 1 -1 if it contains a single sample. Converting your columns to number py arrays should do the job. I prefer standard scalar. Edit November 2018, tested for Pandas 0.23.4. As Rob Murray mentions in the comments, in the current version 0.23.4 version of pandas.s_matrix returns future warning. Therefore, it should be replaced by .values. Edit May 2019, tested for Pandas 0.24.2. As Jolas Blum mentions in the comments, since 0.24.0, it is recommended to use .to_numpy instead of .values. Updated example.
You can do it using Pandas only.